What's good, everybody? Today I'll be breaking down how to practice trading stocks for free using a newer app called WeBull Financial. Essentially, paper trading, aka practice trading, is important because it allows you to make real-time trades and analyze stocks without using your own real money. It's also great because it allows you to learn from your mistakes and fail in the market before you begin trading for real. So I definitely recommend paper trading before beginning to trade real money. Alright, so let's take a look. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to the App Store and type in WeBull. Search it, there it is, with that little blue, line / scroll through it. I'm going to go ahead and download that, and then open it. And this is what you'll see when you enter the app. So this is pretty much like your home screen, and you can see a lot of useful things like certain stocks you're watching on your watch list or stocks that are in your portfolio. I currently don't have any stocks in my portfolio, that's why there's nothing there. But you can also see your market value and your day's PL and your overall PL, which is very useful. And then down on the bottom, you can see markets. If you go ahead and click that, it gives you a quick rundown of what's going on. You can go over to trade for when you're actually ready to trade real money and put Touch ID in, which is cool. And then you've got streams and Explorer. I don't really use those too much. But let's get to it. So you want to learn how to paper trade. If you click your name up in the left-hand corner, you can scroll down to practice and click practice. And then here they give you $1 million to toy around with. You can see that I have a stock right there that I've lost some money on because I just put it inside. I just bought 150 shares of it and I haven't really touched it. I'm just seeing what it's going to do and learning from it. But you can make trades and orders, and you have there's a little school button where it can teach you certain things about it, but this is pretty much your practice mode. So let's go ahead and type in a simple name. Let's look up Tesla. Here you can look up Tesla. There it is, TSLA. That's a ticker symbol. You can see how much it costs, what its percentage is down. You can buy and sell it. Here's the chart for Tesla that you clicked on just by clicking on the name of it. And you can see there's some really awesome information on there as far as patterns. You can see pre-market, post-market, 5-day analysis, 1 month analysis, 3 months. And then you can also do something really cool. Oh, okay, cool. So they added a new chart. That's awesome. So you can turn your phone sideways, and it will give you advanced breakdowns of these stocks and their patterns. So it's got like a MACD indicator, an EMA, which only what that stuff does is it gives you more information as far as what that stock might do in the future, which is pretty cool. You can zoom in, and see what you're looking at. Like right now, Tesla's on a little bit of a downtrend, so you might want to wait until that starts to point back up to buy it. You can change your times right there. And you can go ahead and go back to the 1 day or 5 day analysis and see it widescreen, which is pretty awesome. So if you turn your phone back upwards, you'll get this. Then you click the back button, you go back to simulation, and you can do a market order or a limit order on that stock. And a market order will just buy that stock for the price that it's currently at. So during live trading, that's very useful. You can see how many shares you want. So let's say I was going to get 6 shares, I'd go ahead and put that in and press OK, and then I would just click buy on the bottom, and it would execute that order for the price that it's at, and it would show up right here where this other stock is, and I can choose to buy and sell it from that point. So really what you want to do is you want to buy a stock that you believe in, that is going to go up and you think is something that can make you some money. And you can look at it on these charts, which are really awesome. I've looked at Robinhood before, which is another app just like this, and it just doesn't do the job that WeBull does as far as the breakdowns and everything that it has to offer. It's very clear, it's very cool, it's very sleek and modern, and that's something that I think is awesome about it. So essentially, WeBull is a free stock trading app where you can trade your real money inside of it, but you can also paper trade, which I just broke down, and it's a very amazing feature because you can learn some of the ways that the stock market works, and you can also learn from your mistakes and stuff like that. So really, you just go ahead and go into WeBull and you go to that practice mode, and like I showed you, you can buy and analyze and sell stocks and pretty much do what a real trader would do without risking any of your own money. And I highly recommend anybody who is getting into trading to begin doing that. Personally, I have not traded any real money yet, but I found that this feature was really awesome, and it's something that I've learned a lot from. So if you're interested, go ahead and download Webull. It's an awesome app, and take a look at their paper trading feature and go ahead and trade some stocks.